All right, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the modified Zuma, which is recommended for geotropic nystagmus during a roll test that involves the posterior arm of the horizontal canal. I'm going to show you a demonstration of the left horizontal canal being involved. So the first thing you do is you ask them to turn their head 45 degrees towards the unaffected side. And Melissa, what we're going to do is you're going to lie down, keep your head in this position, and you're going to lie down onto your left side. You can bring your feet up. And they maintain this position for 3 minutes. Observe for nystagmus, ask for any provocation of symptoms, and after the 3 minutes, you're going to ask them to roll onto their back. Okay, go ahead and roll onto your back, and you're going to be looking straight up at the ceiling. You maintain this position for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you're going to ask them to turn their head 90 degrees to the non-affected side. All right, Melissa, just turn your head as far as you can. And they maintain this position for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, what I want you to do is tuck your chin, and we're going to go ahead and come straight up into sitting. You ready? 1, 2, 3. As soon as you come back up into sitting, you can have them look straight ahead. So that is the modified Zuma used in geotropic nystagmus, and that was a demonstration for the left side.